Sterilizer questions answered. Tuttnauer Model TUK050 Thermostat knob. Question: where can I get the Tuttnauer Model TUK050 Thermostat knob for Tuttnauer sterilizer? Answer: you may get the Tuttnauer Model TUK050 Thermostat knob for Tuttnauer sterilizer model in the link below. Details: material, black plastic, size, fits .250 dia. Shaft, 1.61 inches odd x .85 tall. Also available, timer, 30-minute, and timer, 60-minute, fits, timer and thermostat, 1/4 of an inch dia. Flat shaft. Sterilizer questions answered. If you have any other questions, call us at 1-800-762-1586 or email us at info@sterilizers.com. There is more information you can find on sterilizers.com where you can call, email, WhatsApp, FB Messenger, or web chat.